As you see, we cut out the visor to allow for the bracket. You don't have to do that. You can actually put this visor, drill out the rivets, and put the visor behind the bracket. We just find it easier just to notch it out because these are really hard to drill. Stainless steel rivets. We usually end up right at 13 inches, but you do have a little room to go up and down if you want to. You may have to adjust your notch however you're going to do it, but we try to make sure we cover the old mounts from the stock visors so you can't see them. While we got it centered here, the middle bracket gets marked in the center, and then we'll pull this back off through both that bracket through the windshield support. This drill is the exact hole we want. We're going to come back with the nice stainless steel number 14 with finish wash and screw after we get it placed in where we want them. We got a hook rivet in the cab right here in the middle, so what we do is go just above it and below it with our self-tapping, self-drilling screws. And when we come back and install the finished screw, it's going to be a number 14 stainless steel with an adhesive caulk that goes around it.